In this video, I will show you how to transform your log footage from this to that, the easy way, the advanced way, and also the pro way. Let's get right into it. Now we're in DaVinci in the color tab, and the quickest way to do it is to right click the node, go to LUT, and then select your camera. If you want to leave your image the way it is right now, then you're fine with this method. If you want to go on and create new nodes and do some other color corrections, for example, then there is a better way. So reset the node, now open the effects tab, and drag over a color space transform. Now select the input color space you used for shooting this image. If you're using Sony, usually it's Sony S-3.Cine and S-Log3. As you can see, something happened, but it doesn't look very good yet. So our output color space, we're gonna select Rec 709 and output gamma 2.4. Now we are already looking way better than before. And now you can make a new node and start making your adjustments. And the best method, the pro way. The reason to do this is to maintain the most information and have the most flexibility while color grading. So we're gonna reset our grade, add another color space transform, do our inputs again, but this time we're gonna select DaVinci Wide Gamut and DaVinci Intermediate. But now we are back in log, so we're gonna make another node, put it at the end and select another color space transform. Now we're just gonna reverse it. So DaVinci Wide Gamut, DaVinci Intermediate, and then select your Rec 709 and your gamma 2.4. And now the entire grade is gonna happen in between these two nodes. So we're getting access to all the information and our grade should look the best. Now, for example, we can add some noise reduction. 3 is always a good setting for the frames, and then go up to about 9. And after that, I do like to add some film grain, which I do prefer the 35mm preset. And now you have a pretty professional, good looking grade. Here's how these three methods compare: the first one, the second one, and our last one. Since we have this grade now, we can just copy paste it to another clip. And this is the best way to transform your log footage. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.